Welcome to episode 23. Anyway, what we see is these countries here arguing over who should own this continent. So they start to invade each other, though. So this brown one, I guess you could say, to invade down here now. And then and then by the pink one, we see that they make a landing here now. And cut the country into half now. They pull their troops from here now. And any land they quickly take now. And then they take the capital of this country. And then we see them. Actually, I forgot they're not this layer, so we have we see them surrender now. Up over here, finally, I just turn off the war there. Oh yeah, China took that landing. So, let's just, now over here we now see, the blue country declare its independence again. Now, as then they start to go around and take more islands around here, though. And, yeah, China's kind of a bit busy right now. So, let's get back over here to China. So as we now see Korea continue to take land down here now. And, we see Siberia continue to invade down here now. And then they take this major city as then China surrenders. And over here in the funny shaped lines, we see this country can take this country's major cities, but they don't surrender though, as they then start to push back. And then this purple country here now continues to starts to push up with them, and then starts to invade here. As then this country is unable to take its major cities back and push these guys out. Meanwhile, over here now, we see this green country now push back there. That's a major city there. They then start to push around there now. And they make a landing here, and here, which takes the capital city. Then meanwhile, go right over here in Africa now. We see this rebellion now start to push back up here, and then push into there now. And push into there is Africa kind of hates each other. This country here, and then starts to push into here now. And then here now, we see this country now make a landing here. Start to push down there now. As now in all this war now, we see maps be destroyed, and quite important ones. So if I can draw correctly, we see this whole area here be undiscovered because the maps were destroyed. Now though, over here now in South America, we now see this country now. So make a landing here. Actually, that's but the reason why they're doing this though is to prove that they're strong, taking out a powerful country. when I mean this country, I mean like all the South American countries other than Brazil. So then they start to push around here. And meanwhile, up here now, though, we see the Floridians now start to take land up here from absolutely nobody. And we see their borders look something like... And this. Now, as we can see, they're getting pretty big now. And now this area, this country here now, is now pushing back the Chinese now. Out of here now. And then China has since surrendered over there now. They're still fighting with Chinese troops that don't know how to surrender over here, which they then soon take the country back. As then over here we now see these guys now take the whatever this country is. And yeah, how they were able to do that was this. So now over here now, we now see the yellow country now start to take land from this country up here. Yeah, that's just to show how they're getting up there. As they now start to take this country here now. Meanwhile down here now, the green country is holding out here now. As they now take these islands here. But yeah, people have now had enough of this green country, and citizens that once helped to get their independence from Rome is now welcoming Rome back, as then the country quickly falls now. And then this, where is it? Here. We now see this country invade here because they got their independence from them in the last war. They don't like that, so they take them back, let's say. And then over here, Vietnam is now coming down here though, since they're good allies with them, and now starts to invade here now. As then up here now, we now see this green country now continue to take this country here now. And yeah, this country here surrenders. Let me just finish coloring them around so it count as them surrendering. There we are now. As we can see here, they have surrendered now. And this country here now is being attacked from both sides and pushes back a little bit, but not for very long, as the capital is taken and it surrenders to both countries. So let's just show how they split occupying this country. As boom, and the purple country here gets the rest. And now though, this country is continuing. Rome is continuing to invade now, as this country is now falling apart now, and go to the black. The country is now fallen into anarchy, and we know what happens when that happens. And since this country likes peace now, we see these guys with a very tiny military invade up to here, as they call it peacekeeping. So they continue to invade here now. As the major cities are the most, they can try to push up to there. And they're able to take half the major city. But on the other side, they're able to surround it and then take it a few weeks later. As they then continue to push around here now. And by the way, they're not very good at fighting, so it's because the country's absolutely collapsed now. We now see Rome here continuing to push up here now, trying to take the capital, well, the old capital, which is what they're able to do. And then it's a race to see who can get more of the country now. But here we see whatever this color is. You could call it pink or something. That country's able to get the rest of it. And if we come back up to here now, see a route being connected up. And then because that route was connected up, we now see this country now try to get a colony here in Antarctica. No? But even though they took the capital, it doesn't last very long, as they're gone. Meanwhile, up here now, this country now is pushing into here now, as then the capital falls and they begin to push around here now. This country now begins to fight back up here. And then starts to fight back here now. As then this country now though is not, this one here is now continuing to fight back now. Now begins to push into there and now take all this land. As yeah. We now see a peace treaty. So I'll be back when it's done, so I guess I'll see you then. Bye.